Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Good evening, everybody. It's Thursday night in the big sky. We're going to start off tonight with this picture from Laurel. This comes to us from Jody Yothers Drange, and we're just north of Laurel as the sun was setting tonight. Cool-looking shot there, don't you think? Let's take a look at another one. This is the way it looked in Wapiti, Wyoming. A beautiful sunset tonight there. Look at that. This comes to us from Jennifer Acker Woods, and here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, this is what we have. It's 33 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Winds out of the south at about 17. Gives you a wind chill factor that feels like 22 degrees out there. Meanwhile, as we check out our high temp today, 46 degrees. Normal high is 37, so actually way above normal. The record was 59 back in 1992. Record low was 21 below zero back in 1996. Glad we weren't anywhere near that one today. Meanwhile, you'll notice no new precipitation, so here's where we sit for the month, 2200ths. We need to be from year-to-date totals from the first to today. We need to be about 4600ths of an inch of precipitation for a normal year. Obviously, we're a little bit below normal, but don't worry, we'll probably catch up next week. In the meantime, our current temps into the teens and 20s out in western Montana, 39 over at Cut Bank right now, 36 at Great Falls, and a lot of 20s and 30s across the rest of Montana. Now, when it comes to reported highs today, check this out. Just about everybody got up in the 40s. A few places like Butte and Dillon didn't. Same thing at Glasgow, and also over Williston, North Dakota, 30 degrees there, 38 at Glendive. But look at all the 40s. Billings topped out at 46. Hot spot was Great Falls at 48 degrees today, 46 over in Helena. And as we move on tonight, let me show you the story. You can see we have some cloudy skies over us now. They're going to be following the jet stream, and they'll probably move in and just move right out pretty quickly. And as we pull back, here's the big story. New ridge of high pressure starting to build into the Great Basin area. Going around the edge of that high pressure cell is a little bit of moisture moving into Washington. It'll follow the jet stream and then I think eventually drop back on down into Wyoming. So at the surface, here's what we have tonight. High pressure here, building, holding back that moisture a little bit. But as the air moves around that high clockwise, it goes up over the mountains, and then this little dotted line, that's a surface trough. That is drawing the air off the mountain. So we're having some very strong downsloping winds. That'll help warm things up a little bit, but also create some very breezy conditions through Friday morning, through Friday afternoon. Scattered rain showers in the northwest on Friday night. Then on Saturday, here comes a new warm front moving through. High pressure still pouring air into the state, still downsloping winds, and still that warm front. All that adds up together, and we get temperatures into the mid-60s for high temperatures on Saturday. That will break the record. The record was 62 set back in 1935, the third oldest record on record for us. Because remember, we started keeping records in 1934. Meanwhile, you'll notice here, no new precipitation for us expected on Saturday, but by the time next Thursday gets here, we could be looking at 4 to 6 inches of snow there, 14 to 20 inches of snow. That's if everything comes to pass the way the computer models think they will. They rarely do, but that is a possibility. We could see some heavy snow moving into the west and southwest corners of the state by the time next week gets here. But tonight, cooling down to the 20s and 30s, maybe 13 over West Yellowstone, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, back up into the 40s, some low 50s, 52 at Billings, 56 at Roundup, 48 at Livingston, kind of breezy again tomorrow. And as you'll see tonight in Billings, partly cloudy, 29 degrees for the overnight low. It'll be 52 with a slight chance of rain in the morning, I should say snow in the morning, rain in the afternoon, and windy conditions on Friday. Saturday, partly sunny, windy, and warm. On Sunday, 60% chance of rain and snow, 44 for high, then into the 30s on Monday and Tuesday, and back to 43 on Wednesday. By next Thursday, chance for some more snow and 30 degrees. Let's go back to the desk.